I wonder if they like locking us in here.
That was,
Is that door open still? Oh, okay. This door just slammed. Kinda creepy. Very large door. Thick metal. What, the door? This? Maybe a ghost like slammed us in here.
the nicest cell.
Huh?
This cell, this one's like the nicest one.
That's the barber cell.
Oh, is it? Oh.
It's got cupboards and stuff. That's where the barber inmate cut all the other inmates' hair. Chopped it all off.
Yep.
There's like... That was creepy. I wonder if this one makes a sound.
What is this back in the room?
No, this one doesn't make sound. Just being in here alone and hearing a bang from one of these doors. Like that door right there kind of freaked me out.
What one?
The one that closed.
Oh yeah, for sure.
The wind blew it closed. Jeez, don't do that. That just freaked me out.
Go stand behind it, let me get a picture of you.
Like, my heart almost stopped.
Put your hands in the bars and all hopeless. You gotta put your phone down, it doesn't look very real.
Well, I can't. I'm recording.
There you go, it's sad.
I'm mad at you now.
You want one, babe?
Failure to comply.